Hey everyone, I'm April Dominic, Doctor of Physical Therapy, and we at the Institute of Clinical Excellence are so excited to bring you our Pelvic Live male course. If you've been on the fence about learning how to manage pelvic floor dysfunction in individuals assigned male at birth, or you're finally ready to learn the anorectal assessment that can be used across all genders, this course was built for you. In our lab-heavy weekend, you'll walk away with the most practical assessment and treatment skills for male sexual dysfunction, prostatectomy care, bowel conditions, and pelvic pain. We'll cover external genital and pelvic floor muscle assessment and the incredibly valuable internal anorectal exam that can be used to evaluate any person with pelvic dysfunction. We'll then pair those assessments with our favorite manual therapy techniques, neuromuscular retraining, and functional movement progressions for each condition. We also weave in fitness-forward aerobic and resistance training, plus lifestyle optimization, as this is everything this population needs to improve their overall ecosystem, particularly their cardiovascular and pelvic health resilience. We wrap it all up with skills checkoffs, case studies, so you leave the course ready to treat erectile and ejaculatory disorders, constipation, pre and post prostatectomy needs, genital pain, coccydynia, and so much more on Monday morning. So if you're looking for a practical course that's evidence-based, super approachable, and honestly such a blast, we can't wait to see you in Pelvic Live Male. Join us because we saved you a seat.